In the last episode, we took the Jeep across Arizona's largest dry lake bed. Today, we're going to find a new photography location by using the Jeep's full capability to take us to new heights.
So it's starting to get a little dark, and we dropped that a little bit. We're down to 7,600 feet, and it is 37 degrees out. We are still in New Mexico, but we should be crossing to Arizona soon. But this is an absolutely beautiful drive. We're back in the Apache National Forest, trying to make it to our cabin before it gets pitch dark, and we're really hoping that we can find a good meal tonight. I'm hoping for elk. What are you hoping for, Dad?
I don't care. Elk, moose.
Moose.
Otter. Otter.
We don't want otter. We do not have moose. We don't have moose here.
Okay, that's no muskrat.
Oh, gross. I was hoping we could make that arrangement.
No.
I was hoping we'd see a bear or some elk or something, but so far, nada. As we're going through the national forest, like I said, it's getting dark, so hopefully here in the next 20 minutes we'll be at the cabin and be able to look for a place to eat. Whew, a little chilly out here, isn't it?
Yeah, we got our own grill.
Yeah, we got our own grill. We're gonna get some good dinner tonight. So guys, I can't pronounce where we're at, but here's the cabin. Let's see what we got tonight. Oops. Oh my God, this is nice.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. Oh, we scored big time with this one.
No
Look at this
kidding.
place.
Wow.
We definitely scored big time. Okay, where's the there it is. Thermostat.
Turn that up on the cloud.
Okay, there we go. Get some heat. Look at the little kitchenette.
Escudilla.
Hang on here. On the Escudilla. Okay, well anyhow, let's see. Where's some of the lights here?
Oh, we got a little fireplace, dude.
Oh, that's sweet.
You could turn that up.
Huh.
It's on a gas. It looks like a gas.
Oh, it is gas. Excellent. We'll have to
But
turn.
I don't know.
Well, we'll turn that on when we get back then. Well, good morning, everybody from Alpine, Arizona. So, Dad is sleeping in today, and I wanted to get up and take advantage of the early light, maybe see if I can capture some images of some of the elk up here. So I'm driving around the forest, trying to find some open areas and see if I can find any elk. It is definitely cold this morning. Good thing I've got the remote starter on the Jeep. I was using this remote starter in the summertime to turn on the air condition, but it was cold this morning, so I had to use it to turn the heat on here in the Jeep. Oh good, okay, looks like we're going up to some elevated point. Maybe we'll be able to see something up here. Well, we are 9,400 feet up right now. Oh, beautiful, crisp morning mountain air. Love it. So, not finding any big open areas to get the grand vista shots I normally get. So, I think this morning I'm going to challenge myself just a little bit. Woodland photography has always been a challenge for me. I'll be honest with you guys. It's always been a challenge. So what I'm doing right now is I just basically, I found this spot, and you know what? Looks like we can actually continue driving if I want to. We are going to try and do a little woodland photography here in the morning light. I see there's some birch trees around there. I don't know. We'll see. Now this is a this isn't a forest where you're going to find a lot of really interesting oaks, you know, the really crazy trees. So to find that central character, that tree that's going to capture the image or be the focal point of the image, is going to be a bit challenging up here. Now, I am all by myself up here, so I think what I'm going to do is just stay in the Jeep and just drive a little ways down this trail, just a bit, for safety's sake, stay in the Jeep, and we'll see. But beautiful out here this morning. Cold, very cold, beautiful.
I wasn't having any luck on the ground, so I decided to put the drone up and see if I can get a panorama of the sun rising over the mountains.
I think I found something that might work. So I'm going to shoot into the sun with the trees blocking the sun. They got a little bit of color here on the sides with some of these ferns that looks like they're pretty much dead. But anyhow, yeah, we'll get the light radiating out. We'll see how this goes.
For me, woodland photography has always been a challenge. I have to admit, these turned out much better than I thought they would.
Well, I just got a message from Dad. He's up, so I think it's time to pack things up, get some breakfast, get warmed up. Well, didn't get really any great images this morning, but man, did I love coming out here, especially with being quarantined, well, not really quarantined, but pretty much being locked up in the house, or just one area, not be able to travel. These last few days have been great, especially spending this time with my dad, and then of course getting out here and enjoying this beautiful mountain morning, something I just don't get to do. So yeah, it's a good morning.
As we descended out of Alpine, we found ourselves in the Springerville volcanic field. Just out of curiosity, I started looking for any trails of any of the cinder cones. You see that one in front of us? Time for a little fun. The surface that we're running on is essentially a pile of pebbles made of volcanic rock. This part does not look bad, but there is no way that my old car could have made it up the next section.
All right, here we go. 14 degrees, 16 degrees, yeah, 17 degrees. Good.
God damn, Jay, I hope we don't roll over and die.
Language, this is a family channel.
This is a location I've marked to come back to for either a sunrise or a sunset photo shoot. We're going to enjoy our time at the top before making the descent.
Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to start our descent down this mountain here, this cinder cone. And here we go. Alright, so this is going to be the steepest descent I've ever taken the Jeep. So Dad's holding on to the drone control. And I may have to stop the Jeep going down if the drone starts doing anything wacky, because I'm not driving down this hill at the same time. I'm trying to control the drone. So here we go. We are at 3 degrees down. We're going to try and make it down this big hill. So this is the easy part we're on right now. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Well, this isn't the hard part. So we're rolling 5 degrees to the right, 6 degrees down. And that thing's still tracking. Yep, okay. Woohoo! 7 degrees. Roll. 12 degrees down.
Oh my god.
This is the worst part of the roll. So just so you know, Dad, I had it at 17 over in Sedona and we're okay. So we're not at the tip angle. Alright, so here we go. Now we're coming up to the rough part. This is going to be the part where we're going to do a steep descent.
So when it's that next one where you can't see the road underneath it, that's the one that scares me.
Well, here we go, guys. All right, so we got the drone back up in a better position to record this epic descent. Here we go. So 10 degrees down, 11. Woohoo! Look at us go. So I am in 4-wheel low right now, just to help control the descent. I heard the tires just slip a little bit. 13 degrees down. Here goes the steep part. $14. Oh yeah. Woo! 15 degrees. Look at 19. You enjoying this, Dad?
Oh.
Nice and easy. That's all we have to do is keep it nice and easy. Look at that thing. Oh yeah, 19 degrees down, 20 degrees down. All right, got a big rock there I want to avoid. That's feel that slide. 24 degrees down. We were sliding a bit there. About halfway down. At least the halfway down the steep part. Now, come on, you gotta admit you're having fun, Dad. All right, almost there. Oh yeah.
There's the cow I was.
Yeah, there's your cow.
There's a cow.
There's the cows are looking at us like we're a bunch of idiots. 20 degrees down still.
Wonder where they get their water at.
Oh jeez, running down the steep here and you're wondering where the cows get a drink.
Yes, I see him sitting up here.
Almost to the bottom of the steep part here, guys. Oh yeah. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why we bought a Jeep. That was fun. Want to do it again?
No, no.
Alright, let me pull it out of take it out of high mode here. Or low mode, put it back in high. Alright, Dad, now that you had a chance to catch your breath, would you do that again?
No.
Well,
It's too much stress on an old man.
Well, look how far we're rolling right now. We're at 9 degrees.
Yeah, I know.
Remember,
we're going sideways.
You chose this route down.
Yeah, and we're going sideways.
12.
Oh, shit.
13, 14, 15, 16. We're easing back now.
Yeah, we're easing back. I can see that. We're going to go downhill.
Downhill sideways?
I hope not.
Oop, there's a rock.
Okay.
There we go.
Downhill,
right.
Downhill.
There we go. Now we're leveling out.
That's not level.
Just awesome. Remember, think about Rock. Think of the memories we're making, Dad.
Yeah.
Think of those memories.
You're gonna make me upchuck my guts here.
Oh, everybody back home's gonna love seeing this.
Yeah.
That is it for this 4-day adventure with Dad. We are heading back down to Phoenix for the night. We're going to have one more adventure together before Dad heads home, and this one gets us into a world of trouble. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and check out my bonus content on patreon.com/EWJ. I will see you all in the next episode.